And here, look what I have here. I got two packages that I received on Friday and Thursday, which is my Win Microsoft Office 2007 Ultimate and the StarTech AC Bool band PCI network adapter, which supports 5G HD. So let me go get something to open it. This week, I'm gonna unwrap this just slow. And here it is, Microsoft Office 2000 Ultimate Edition. This can used to upgrade from 2007 to from home to Ultimate. I can do that. I can do it via 2 days, alright. Dramatic because I am. So Alabama's winning 34 to 23 against Texas A&M. This the conference title game. And today is Selection Sunday for March Madness. Bam is out using this screwdriver. So, hi. Sorry, I accidentally video, so I apologize for that. And also, today's Selection Sunday, and Alabama will likely be getting into there. Here it is. Here it is. It's a PCI Express High Power AC 1200 wireless AC network adapter. In here, it says 5 gigahertz. Here comes this, and it comes with its own disc. You find the requirements. Yeah, it supports Windows Vista. Alright. And it also comes with disc, and here comes with this dual band thing. And I can also it comes with this and this. Or I can just put them right here on of it, and now let's see what's inside there. And then open the right. So yeah, don't know what to open this. There it is. It's open. comes the disc. This has disc 1. It has disc 2. This is genuine. Looks very good. There's this Selfin. And so I might make a video of this, how to do it right now. So I think I might have the time to do it today. So yeah, so anyways, so there you go. So that's it for this video, box video. So I hope you have a happy March Madness day in the /Sunday day in the Remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.